All about Sir Isaac Newton. Sir Isaac Newton was born in 1642, Woolsthorpe Manor in Lincolnshire, England. Newton is mainly known for his work and his theories explaining the forces of gravity and motion. He used these theories to explain things like an apple falling from a tree onto the ground. Newton graduated from college in 1665. After he graduated, he came back home to Lincolnshire and had what he called his miracle years of amazing thoughts. Newton began to write and publish his theories. In 1687, Newton published his book called Principia, explaining his theories about the three laws of motion. He later died in 1727.
Newton's law of inertia. The law of inertia states that an object will not move or change its motion unless it is acted upon by an unbalanced force. An example is a boy kicking a ball. The ball is at rest, but when the boy applies force to the ball accelerates. This happens because the boy is applying an unbalanced force.
Newton's law of force and acceleration. This law states that the acceleration of an object depends on the mass of the object and the net force applied. An example of this is if you push a car and a bike with the same amount of force, the bike will accelerate faster than the car because it has less mass.
Newton's law of action-reaction. The law of action-reaction states that whenever one object applies force on a second object, the second object will apply an equal and opposite force back on the first object. An example of this is when a fish's fin pushes against the water with force, then the water pushes back on the fins with equal and opposite force, causing the fish to move.